welcome back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you here as always. So, like I said in the last video, today I've got a bit of time. I want to make a start on getting these gauges installed. It's probably going to take a little bit of effort for me to get them in there, so I figured I got a little bit of time this afternoon after work. Probably going to start with the oil pressure. Actually no, sorry. Start with the water temp. If I get time, I'll make a start on the oil pressure today. Continuing either tomorrow or the next day, whenever, to get this all combined into a video for you guys. So I already got, see if I can get it in the shot. Doesn't want to. I already got water temperature gauge here. I'm hoping I can reuse that gauge cup and a lot of the wiring and just put that one in its place. Mostly what it's going to come down to is the sender unit and the rad hose and a couple other bits of the wiring. So I don't really want to go and open up the cooling system just yet, so I might start on the inside of the car, work on getting that guy down and out of there and some of the wiring. So stick around, it's not going to be the most entertaining video, but we'll get stuck into it and see if we can figure this out. So just quickly, I just want to check that temperature sensor against the one in this new gauge, and it looks like they're both going to be 1/8 NPT, so this should just screw in its spot, and I should be able to just put ring terminal onto that and Bob's your uncle. Let me just see what the instructions say. Ah, right. So it looks like the sensor itself needs to be earthed out, and it's not going to earth out in there. So don't know how I'm going to go about this. I wonder if maybe that sensor still works. I don't know. I think that's half my trouble. But anyway. I wonder. It's a lot warmer than 40 degrees, and it's not doing anything. So I suspect I'm going to have to put this sensor in and find a way to ground it somehow. Brass edge here, might be able to solder a wire onto it, I don't know. But I don't know how I'm going to earth this sensor out when it's in there. Unless I can solder to that. Anyway, I'll cross that bridge when I get back to that. Okay, well that sucks. I don't have a gauge pod for that new gauge, but I'm gonna work that out later. Alright, so I don't have a ring terminal that fits. But for the sake of testing this, making sure that it works, I have just popped the wire onto the sender and done the finger up a little bit. So far, so good. It's working, it doesn't seem to be leaking. Well, I think that's where I'm going to leave it there. In this video, I didn't really get what I wanted to accomplish. I'm a bit concerned about the sender there. I'm a bit concerned about this sender. The eBay gauge wants me to be able to ground it there, and I don't know how I'm going to be able to ground it. Aside from that though, I got the oil pressure gauge in there and the temperature gauge is still in there. It seems to be working okay for now, so I'll just rock with that, but I'm happy I got the oil pressure in there. I just need to get a cup for it so I can mount it up there. So I'll get a cup for that in a couple of days and then I'll mount it there. And then go ahead and get the catch can back in. I'll get it off this jack, obviously, and yeah, that's basically going to be about it for this thing. Take it out for a bit of a drive, do some kilometers in it, make sure that there's nothing too untoward going on. Make sure that there's no leaks going on. There's a bit of a leak there, but I haven't been able to find out where it's coming from. Other than that, she's running pretty healthy. She's got about 30 psi hot oil pressure, about the same as what I had in the logs with the other sensor, so it's good I'll be able to cross-reference those and just make sure there's nothing funny going on. But yeah, she's just about ready for a date out at Willowbank, but I don't think Willowbank's doing any test and tune or anything at the moment, so we're just going to have to wait and see what's going on there. I'm hoping in the next few days I can get a big delivery for the shed and spend the weekend getting that assembled and installed, so stick around for that. That should be a pretty good video, and then if I can't make it out to the track, it'll be build breakdown on Ethel. Be able to show you just about as much as I can on the car. But yeah, trying to make these videos a bit more polished, a bit more professional. Hopefully it's showing through in the content. Hope you guys have enjoyed watching the videos as much as I am trying to make them. I'm trying to get them a little bit more regular, having my own shed now. My wife works regularly till late, so I've got time, not a lot, like I've spent an hour or more out here today to accomplish sweet FA. But yeah, I get a little ring terminal on that. Hopefully I can get some more regular content out for you guys. And Willowbank, start on the next project. That guy, I'm sure some of you have spotted it hanging around the lumen in the background. Want to get a start on it, and yeah. Anyway, that's going to be it from me in this video. Throw a like down below, throw a comment down below as well. Please share a video. It really helps a lot, more than you guys probably understand. But yeah, sharing them makes a big difference. I don't care which one you share, just please share one. And yeah, grab your merch from the link in the description below should you want to get yourself a sticker or a t-shirt. That also helps the channel a lot, keeps this thing doing what it's doing. And yeah, once again, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully I'll get a gauge pod in there and button a few other bits and pieces up, and then we'll drive it, hopefully. But yeah, driving is the next thing I want to do. If Willowbank's not open, I want to take it for a drive, so yeah. Get out, do some Ks in it. There was something else I wanted to say as well. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the more regular content. I'm not going for daily videos, but I would like to try and keep them a bit more regular, at least once a week or twice a week, if I can get some work done on this thing, basically. So yeah, that's going to be it from me in this video. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
Something that saved me all the time in my say, yeah. It feels when I'm breaking down.
pressure, get a pod. Hate my memory. I'd like to know where that oil leak's coming from. Seems no matter how much I look under there, there's nothing fucking leaking. Battery off. Keys are in the ignition, aren't they? Yeah, there they are. Alright.